Hey, 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 amazing storytellers, welcome back to INKVISION Kids Club. I'm Mbali Rose, your super cool storyteller, and I'm with Magic the Mickey Mouse.
Yeah, hello everybody, hello, how are you? Hope you're well, good to see you. Mbali, I missed you so much.
Me too, I missed you too, Magic. So today, we are going to jump into the world of imagination. Have you ever dreamt of flying on a dragon, or maybe discovering a secret door to the hidden Candyland? Well, today we are going to create our very own magical stories.
Yes, the treasure chest, Mbali.
Well, this is a storyteller chest, and inside we have surprise storytelling ideas. And guess what? I'll go first. Ooh, a golden key! But what does it unlock? Let's find out in my short story called The Secret Door of Whimsyland.
Yay! It sounds exciting.
Once upon a time, in a small village, a girl named Maya found a mysterious golden key buried under an old tree. She wondered, what could it open? One night, as she walked home, she saw a tiny glowing door at the back of her house. She gasped, could this be the key's secret? As she stepped inside, she was in Whimsyland!
Yay! This is amazing!
A world filled with talking animals, flying pancakes, and even dancing pencils. Welcome, Maya, said a friendly talking owl. You have unlocked into the world of creativity, and here you can create any story you want.
Wow, boy, that's amazing.
And from that day on, Maya became the greatest storyteller, sharing magical stories with everyone she met.
Yay!
The end.
Hey! Wow, that was amazing! Wow! Wow! Yay!
Now it's your turn. Pick an object around you and create any short story. Will it be a mysterious adventure with a lost map? A superhero story with a kid about a magical backpack?
Yeah!
Or a funny tale about a pizza that wants to be famous?
Yummy! Yummy!
Write it, act it out, or tell it to a friend. And don't forget, every story is special because it's yours. Now that's it for today, my storytelling stars. Keep dreaming, keep creating, and remember, your imagination has no limits. See you in the next episode of INKVISION Kids Club. Bye!
Bye everybody, see you next time! Yay!